Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one is becoming one of my favorite ones to use. I used it for the S25 Ultra, the iPhone 17 Pro. This one is a matte finish. It's from a company called Ksleri. I don't know how you pronounce it, but they make some great screen protectors. It has a matte finish on there, so it looks really good with most phones. In this video, we'll go ahead and try to install it on camera. We'll go over the fit, see how it looks overall. But it did say my iPhone 17 Pro when I dropped it. No scratches or cracks even on the display or the screen protector itself, so it's built pretty tough. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But bam, it's supposed to be fingerprint friendly. You might have to re-register your fingerprints. So you have a little guide here. You even get some camera lens protection. I don't really use it. You have instructions. So you get two of them in case you make a mistake. And then you have your installation guide, just a guide that, you know, normally you get. Let's see how we open this bad boy up. So again, like I say on all my installation videos, if you can do this at nighttime, great. You have instructions if you want it, but this is pretty simple to do, hopefully. So first thing, as always, turn off your phone. If you have a little holder you can put this in, great. But you do the normal things. Wipe, clean it off. You give it a little microfiber cloth action. Then you have the little dust remover. Again, if you can do this at nighttime in a room that's not dusty, that would be ideal situation. That way, like I said, you can let the screen protector just sit on the phone, really settle in there before you put a case on it. But again, make sure you got all the bubbles, all the dust. All right, so you have your screen protector here. It tells you which one is the top. Tells you to tear off the protective film. So down here or up here, you have the little film. You want to take that off first. Maybe. Get trolled on camera. All right, so what I like to do is peel this off, kind of keep it down like that. Then you just line your phone in here. Make sure your phone is in there. All right, and then tells you to go back and forth. All right, back and forth. You can do whatever you want. Then what you do is take this bad boy off slowly, or you can do this too if you wanted to. Then you work out the bubbles, and then look at the matte. Oh yeah, see, this is why this is one of my favorite. Look at, oh, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. It was easy to install, pretty simple, and it gives you that protection too. I mean, it goes pretty close to the edge. I mean, I don't know how much more you want. For me, that's pretty good. It feels great. Let's see if the fingerprints work. Do I have to re-register? Nope. Let's see, maybe so. Finger. No, it worked that time. My fingers. Now, if you want to, if you are having misses, you can re-register your fingers like I just did on my other screen protector. But look, I mean, and then it helps with it has an anti-reflectness on there because it's matte. But this is a beautiful screen protector. Again, this is why this is one of my go-tos, because I love how it just, yeah, it works. It definitely works. So if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.